So in this video, let us discuss about operators in JavaScript. So I will say operators in JavaScript. So what are operators? Operators are syntax features in JavaScript. They allow you to manipulate values by performing an operation among various operand or values. So they are typically mathematical operations that you definitely would be aware of. So we have a plus operator, minus, asterisk operator, slash, modulus operator. So what you can do with these operators is that plus is used for addition of two or more numbers. Now minus is used for subtraction of two numbers. Then this asterisk operator is used for multiplication. Slash is used for division. And then this modulus operator is used for finding the remainder. So you can say this is the modulus operator. Okay. So modulus operator will divide the two numbers and then will yield the remainder of the division that you division process that you carry on two numbers. Then we also have an exponential operator. So this is represented using two asterisks. So if I say 2 double asterisk 3, so this means 2 raised to power 3 in mathematics, which will give you 8. Which allows us the exponentiation, means you are raising a number to some power, for example 2 raised to power 3, or you can say 3 raised to power 5, so 3 raised to power 5. This will give us 243. So we also have other variables in JavaScript like the assignment operator. So it is used to assign value to a variable, and this is all about the video on operators. So these are some of the common operators that you will encounter while working with JavaScript.